Hub maintenance, take 1. Perform hand hygiene. Don clean gloves. Open lure lock package aseptically. Prime lure lock cap with saline to remove air. Leave syringe attached to cap. Assure that the line is clamped. Remove the existing cap. Vigorously scrub all surfaces of the hub with alcohol for 15 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Allow to dry for 5 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Place the new lure lock onto the hub and turn to lock in place. Unclamp the line and flush the intended lumen vigorously with 10 mL saline using pulsatile and positive pressure clamp technique. This will help prevent clotting of the line. Disconnect your syringe and discard. If ordered, flush with 2.5 mL of heparin. Add a swab cap to the lumen. Repeat the procedure for each lumen. Remove gloves. Perform hand hygiene.